Have you ever noticed how stress easily ruins months of your hard weight loss progress? We blame our diets or lack of willpower when the scale starts moving up again. But the real enemy destroying your goals is usually terrible time and severe stress management. I gained back 20 pounds simply because my daily schedule became an absolute chaotic nightmare. So I built 4 incredibly fast habits to control my time and automate my health. And these tiny 60-second actions shifted everything without requiring any intense workouts or diets. Let us explore the very first habit, which actually starts right when you wake up. I used to open my eyes and immediately feel overwhelmed by everything I had planned. My energy would drain instantly just thinking about the heavy workload waiting at my desk. Because of this dread, I stayed up way too late, just trying to avoid tomorrow. Then the alarm rings and you hit snooze because you are entirely exhausted and drained. Obviously, you skip the gym because you convince yourself you are already running quite late. This creates a terrible cycle of guilt that completely ruins your motivation for the day. You cannot force motivation to appear, but you can easily create the right environment instead. So my first minute habit is simply preparing my exact morning environment the night before. I place my shoes and comfortable clothes directly in the middle of my bedroom floor. When I wake up, I must put them on and walk outside within 10 minutes. There are absolutely no expectations to run or lift heavy weights or do anything intense. I just step outside and let the fresh morning air wake up my tired brain. But getting outside removes the friction, and I often end up exercising just by default. Even if I just walk slowly for 10 minutes, I start the day feeling victorious. Taking that tiny action early builds incredible momentum that carries into my entire daily schedule. Morning sunlight also resets my natural sleep cycle, making me genuinely tired by late evening. This means I actually sleep on time instead of mindlessly scrolling through my bright phone. Better sleep automatically reduces those terrible afternoon sugar cravings we all fight against every day. Now, what happens when you finally start working and the endless stress begins pouring in? You open your laptop and suddenly 30 new messages demand your immediate attention right now. You spend hours putting out tiny fires and realize half your day is completely gone. Panic sets in because your actual important projects remain completely untouched on your messy desk. So you rush through your tasks and work straight through lunch, feeling tense and anxious. High stress levels release hormones that directly signal your tired body to store more fat. This brings us to the second 60-second habit, which literally changed my entire life. I grab a blank sticky note and write down my single most critical daily task. Then I use a basic computer timer to force a pause every single half hour. During this short pause, I write down exactly what I did over the last block. I also draw a quick smiley or sad face to track how that task felt. Writing this down takes exactly 1 minute, but it saves me hours of wasted energy. Am I actually doing real productive work right now, or am I just avoiding things? I catch myself spending way too much time on pointless emails when I should focus. It keeps my eyes glued to the main priority I wrote on that sticky note. The short breaks give my brain a necessary reset,
so I do not feel overwhelmed. Sometimes I just stand up and stretch my back, or drink some fresh cold water. Tracking my mood also shows me which specific tasks drain my precious energy the most. I slowly learned to delegate those annoying tasks so I finish my day feeling energetic. Ending the workday without massive anxiety means I do not search for comfort food later. But escaping the actual office does not mean your brain stops thinking about stressful work. You might physically be at home, but mentally you are still drafting that angry email. A simple notification sound on your phone can send your heart rate through the roof. And when you carry work stress into the evening, your body demands heavy caloric relief. You end up mindlessly eating an entire bag of chips on the couch while worrying.
So the third habit is creating an absolute physical boundary between work and personal life. I call this the hard stop, and it requires a strict boundary every single afternoon. At exactly 5 in the evening, I must shut down my laptop without any exceptions. I have 2 separate browsers on my computer for personal use and for professional work. I use an application blocker that completely locks my work browser until the next morning. I also leave my professional smartphone charging in a completely different room of the house. Disconnecting digital ties is great, but you must also give your brain a new focus. Otherwise, you will just sit quietly and obsess over all the deadlines you left behind. So I spend the next hour doing an activity that demands my full mental presence. Sometimes I read a thrilling novel, or I play a complex game with my family. This helps my nervous system realize that the stressful workday is truly over and done. If a random work thought pops up, I quickly write it in a small journal. Writing it down removes it from my mind so I can finally relax in peace. When you actually detach from work, your cortisol levels drop and your metabolism functions normally. You feel present and calm, which makes it significantly easier to choose healthy dinner options. Speaking of dinner, how do we finally conquer those massive evening portions to control weight? Even if you manage your stress perfectly, you can still easily consume way too much. We are conditioned from childhood to always finish every single bite on our dinner plates. And our human brains struggle terribly to estimate proper portion sizes for calorie-dense foods. A normal serving of pasta looks incredibly tiny when placed on a standard modern plate. So you add more food until the plate looks full and end up overeating massively. To fix this, I completely redesigned my kitchen environment to make overeating physically very difficult. I bought entirely new plates and bowls that are much smaller than standard dinnerware sizes. I serve my meals in these tiny bowls, so the food naturally looks visually abundant. My brain feels completely satisfied seeing a full bowl even though the portion is smaller. But the most important part of this habit is where I leave the extra food. I never leave the serving pots on the dining table where I sit and eat. Before I take my first bite, I pack all leftovers directly into the cold refrigerator. Then I take my small bowl and walk into a completely different room to eat. If I actually want a second helping, I must physically get up from my chair. I have to walk across the entire house and pull containers from the cold fridge. Then I must heat the food up again, which adds significant friction to the process. 9 times out of 10, I realize I am actually full and simply stay seated.
This physical barrier gives my stomach enough time to signal my brain that I ate.
I also completely stopped watching television while eating my meals to stay very consciously aware. When you watch videos while chewing, you consume significantly more calories without even noticing it. I only allow myself to listen to soft music or an interesting audio podcast instead. Eating without screens forces me to actually chew slowly and appreciate the flavors much more. These 4 rapid habits completely changed my life by targeting the root causes of weight. They do not force me to restrict my favorite foods or run dangerous, endless marathons. They simply manage my daily stress and remove the constant friction of making healthy choices. You just knock down these tiny daily dominoes and the big results follow naturally behind. Managing your time effectively is the ultimate secret weapon for long-term sustainable weight loss. When you protect your energy, you protect your health in a very deeply profound way. Try designing your environment tonight and watch how easily your motivation appears tomorrow early morning. You possess the power to take control of your schedule and rebuild your healthy life. Small intentional actions compound over time into the lasting physical changes you have always wanted. Start right now, and you will be amazed by the incredible progress you will achieve.